I was really nervous to come so far away from home for a whole month because I'm not a person that likes to be away from home. But coming here, they make learning fun.
It's a relief to finally have somebody that understands you and gets what you've gone through.
The Landmark Summer Program is a one-month experience. I really like how the classrooms are small. I feel like it's just much more of a one-on-one experience.
I've improved my reading a lot. My math skills have gone up, and it's all thanks to the program.
Tutorial is this one-on-one time that everyone has in their day where you have this one teacher who can really get to know you and the way you learn and notice what you really need to work on.
I love the teachers here. They're like a family. They get what you're going through.
Landmark Summer Program is right on the water, so I get to enjoy that every single day. I'm doing sea kayaking, which is so great.
One of the most fun activities that we did was photography and how to use Photoshop.
You can do marine biology, you can do art, you can do CrossFit. Yes, we're here to learn, but it feels more like a camp than school because I'm able to learn, but still have an amazing summer at the same time. The dorm life is a great experience. By the end of the summer, we didn't want to leave here. This was like another home we had built.
Everyone here is really nice, and I don't know, that's always important when you're trying to become part of a community.
Our learning differences have brought us closer because we can relate to each other and you can enjoy yourself and just make new friends.
The time has gone by so quickly, like I can't believe it's almost over, and I'm kind of sad about it, to be honest.
I'm definitely taking back study skills, organization, note-taking, and I'm more prepared to go to school now than I was before.
When I go back, I'm going to be a lot more confident. I am smart. I just learn it a different way.